Hey everybody, just finished assembling this small bathroom on the first floor. On the second it's way bigger, but nevertheless you have to have two of them in the house. And here is a very interesting thing. I have never seen these before, so I want to share this with you. So this is the electric water here, like from a known brand, European made, with the dry heating elements. And the problem is that I have the differential circuit breaker here that supplies for all the so-called wet areas the electricity. And I mean, the problem was that differential circuit breaker was always switching off in some point. This means that actually somewhere 30 milliamps were going onto the body of it, and like there was a potential differential between the earth and zero and phase, I don't know, but that device was sensing it and was switching off constantly. I thought probably because I was drilling holes, of course, and this one actually specifically in this edge, it was really close to the wires because they go really nearby, and I thought maybe at some point I could have damaged them, but that's not the case, because eventually if you damage the wire you cannot turn it back on, and I was able to turn it on and it was working for some 15-20 minutes, and then the circuit breaker was switching it off. So that's the issue. How did I figure it out? That's also an interesting part. So I basically I plugged it into the very different differential. I just took a extender from a different zone that was also in a differential circuit breaker, and that one started switching off. This actually means that the problem is only here, not in the socket, not in the wire, but specifically in this. I thought already maybe I should contact the warranty, because this is brand new, and well, I just disassembled it all. Disassembled, disconnected all the electrical wires, took out the heating elements, and then reconnected, rebuilt it again. And it works. It took me like 15 minutes of time, maybe 20. But can you explain me why, if something is built from factory, you have to disassemble and assemble it back? And it then keeps working perfectly, because it was running, it was hitting, I was testing it for the whole day, no issues. So, well, that's the story. And this is something you have to be aware of. I don't blame this this firm. They produce very good heaters, because I have a lot of them in different places, and they work for 10 years and more without any issues. But this is a very specific case that happened to me right now, and well, I just wanted to share it. So thanks, and see you later.